Today we're creating a floral wedding invitation template that's ready to list in your Etsy shop. I'm going to start with a pre-made design. There's no reason to begin from a blank canvas every single time. Starting with a solid foundation makes the whole process so much faster, and honestly, it gives you more time to focus on making the design feel unique instead of building everything from scratch. First, I'll update some of the wording. I don't usually keep the placeholder text exactly as it is because even small changes can help the template feel more like your own. Now, I want to give the names a little more presence. Since they're really the focal point of the invitation, I'm going to adjust the layout. It's a small change, but it instantly creates a stronger visual hierarchy and makes your eye go exactly where it should. I'm also going to remove this element here. Sometimes taking something away actually makes everything else look better, so don't feel like you have to fill every bit of empty space. Now for my favorite part, adding some florals. I'll search through the elements until I find something that matches the style I'm going for. Honestly, this is where I spend the most time just experimenting. Move them around, resize them. There's really no perfect formula. Just keep playing with the composition until it feels balanced. If one corner starts feeling too heavy, add a little detail somewhere else to even things out. Your goal is to make the design feel intentional without making it feel crowded. Now that the florals are in place, I'm going back to the heading. I want the typography to feel a little more cohesive, so I'll switch the names to the same script font I'm using near the bottom of the invitation. Repeating fonts throughout a design helps everything feel connected, instead of looking like random pieces put together. At this point, I'm just polishing everything up. I'll adjust some spacing, nudge a few elements into place, tweak the alignment, and add a little color. These are the tiny details that don't seem like much individually, but together they make the finished template look much more professional. And here's the best part. Once you've created your main invitation, you've already done the hardest work. You can reuse the same florals, fonts, and overall style to create matching pieces like RSVP cards, menus, welcome signs, seating charts, place cards, signature drink signs, and more. Before you know it, you've got an entire wedding stationery bundle that's ready to list instead of just a single template. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tutorials on creating beautiful, sell-ready templates.